You're not going to want to see this.
Okay. Hey there to you two. Welcome to another dirty video. I don't know how dirty this one's going to be. But today, I was at, well, let me back up. The last dirty video was the first dirty video. No, second dirty video. And today we're going to review the Drain Rooter. Look at it, it does the drain. Triple barbs. Grab more than debris. Well, what did they grab then? Wave design. 18-inch reach. Why by golly, it goes deep. Every time I looked at the, I get distracted. I look at the camera part, and then I look at me. Oh, anyway. And then there's that graphic. Not sure what that tells me. It's kind of disgusting, actually, if you think about it. It clears clogged and slow running drains. I ran down to the local Walmart, basically, because the last video, you may recall, there was some things that I was touching that I didn't like, and we just didn't think about it. But then we went and washed our hands, and when I did that in this bathroom right over there, the sink kind of, it started to back up a little bit. So this is what you do about it, because if you got a flaming sexy ass wonderful mullet, and I don't know, you comb your hair, I guess. How does it get there? Because the shower, you understand, like, things go downhill, water runs downhill. That's rule number one of plumbing. Water goes downhill. Payday's on Friday, and don't chew your fingernails. That's the only rules. Anyway, where was I? That sink is backing up, is what I'm saying. So I was gonna do a review on, like, your cheapo. This was $3 and some change. Probably it's about 42 cents worth of plastic and 13 cents worth of cardboard to display it in with a fancy hanging on the racker. So, oh, check out the tips on those, though. I mean, that's serious. That's business. Anyway, so you got this. You got another thing I picked up on the other day. Gave it to my buddy. He had teenage daughter, sink problems. It's called the Drain Weasel. It came with a fancy little cranky deal, and it does the same thing. So here's what we got. We're gonna go in here. It's right down the hall around the corner. It's the only thing on that hall. It's in the basement bath. The teenage kid uses it. He does have a fabulous mullet. I ain't kidding. And prior to him using this bathroom primarily, there were, the long blondie and my other daughter, curly black hair. So who knows what we're gonna find in there? It's gonna be disgusting. That I can guarantee you. So let's head down the hall and see what we find. Alright, so anyway, what in the hell? Well, remember how I said all things considered I couldn't complain? Yeah. All things considered. It's gotten worse. Hey, quick tip. Let me give you a quick tip. This is the Eva. Oh, it's hard to focus. There's not enough light. We got 2 ball caps and 1 light bulb. So, I apologize. This is the Eva trim in brushed nickel. But that doesn't matter. What's behind it is a valve in the wall, and there's a cartridge type valve in the wall. And when you turn it, it goes first cold and then hot, and it makes the shower do the things, and that doesn't even match the Eva trim, and we don't care. Anyway, what I'm getting at is a lot of people this might apply to. If you have a Moen shower valve down in your basement bath, and you built the house and you got a basement bath finished, you got a Moen shower valve, tub shower, there'd be a spout coming out down here somewhere, same valve, doesn't matter. If you have that, sometimes, anytime actually, you come down here and you take a whiz. Bad example, this is anyway, when you're down here taking a whiz, whip this curtain back and go ahead and cycle that valve through. Just spray a little water down the drain. That's going to give you 2 benefits. For one, underneath that drain there's a trap in the floor called P-trap, and it holds water in that little U-shaped section. That keeps sewer gas from coming out and making your basement stink. So putting water in it every once in a while is good. And the other part is this particular thing in a Moen single handle valve, there's a pressure balancer in there that keeps you from scalding yourself if someone flushes the toilet over here while you're showering. That particular pressure balancer operates forward and backward. It runs inside the cartridge and it balances the pressure. So if someone flushes the toilet, the pressure on the cold side goes down. It doesn't automatically just shoot you full of hot water and scald the skin and the hair off you. Anyway, that thing gets stuck, especially if you have hard water. If you have hard water and a single handle Moen cartridge type valve, if you have a single handle that does the on to cold to hot, that's a single handle Moen 1229 cartridge. Just cycle it. Just turn it on. Turn it all the way on. Because what'll happen is, after a while, if you don't ever use it, because it's just your basement bath, you don't come down here to take a shower, you built the house, you bought the house, whatever, it's got a basement bath that you hardly ever use. You don't use the shower or tub shower, whatever it is. That thing will stick. And you'll come down here and you'll get just a dribble, because you haven't used it in, a while. And so you come down here, you turn it on, your in-laws are in town, it's Christmas, it's the last time that you really want to mess with calling a plumber to come and figure this out. So every time you come down here and you use this, just reach over, spin that all the way to here, bring it back down. It doesn't matter if it's a Chateau, an Eva, a Monticello, whatever the trim is, the valve that's inside there is the same. Give it the, just, once a month, once a week, whatever. It's going to put water in your trap. It's going to keep you from stinking up your basement. And it's going to give you, keep your valve from freezing up. So there you go. There's my free advice for the day. All right, well, take the free advice if you want. So here's what we got. Trash, first off. Razor blade cover. That'll probably just fall back down. Obviously, see, it came off of that. First level. Just take care of that. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So see, we got thing. Anyway, so what happened earlier? I washed my hands. I had the water running. I washed them off, and look at that. The water's not going down as fast as it's going up. So, what are we gonna do about that? Well, if it's a kitchen drain, it's a different story. It's grease or something. But usually in your bathroom, you're not cooking bacon. It's something to do with hair. And so, hot water doesn't dissolve it. This is what you get, See? Okay, hang on a second. Let's just wait over there. Let's see. That's hot. Hot's on the left, cold's on the right. That's plumbing rule number 2. 2.5 maybe. Anyway, don't chew your fingernails. Payday's on Friday. So you see how slow it's going down. All right. So we got the drain rooter. That's going to cure all our problems, right? It actually probably will. And since we got 2 of them, we can waste one of them. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? So for less than $4, we got that. So here we go. I mean, pick your spot. Anywhere is fine. I'm a little concerned about what we're gonna see coming out on these. Oh. Yeah. You're not gonna want to see this. All right. And you notice the barbs. I probably could have gone further. Already. I apologize that the lighting sucks, but wow. That's that's purely disgusting. And I have a feeling we didn't even come close to getting it all. So we're gonna give it a little bit more. We're gonna go all the way in. We're just gonna kind of now see this right here. That operates from a rod. See, this rod runs down, and picture it just going straight down until it's about level, and then there's another rod that comes across and ties in. In fact, I'll show you maybe. I don't know. Is there enough light? Yeah, there it is. That's what does the magic with the drain stopper. So, I guess what I'm saying is, if you try to come around the backside, the rod's going to be, in the way. But you can come all around the front side here while you're pulling it out. Holy son of a... Oh, yeah, we're getting stuff. And, don't think about it. Just don't think about it. keep, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, oh, it's, yeah. So that's what happened. Oh, yeah. We need a bigger trash can. This, Well, anyway, I hope you don't have a weak stomach, because if you did, you don't want to smell this. This is not good. Oh yeah, there's more. I mean, you kind of got it started. Oh, anyway, so what the hell is that? Anyway, I don't know. A demon tooth? Seriously, what the fuck watch your mouth. That's a screw to a, don't know where that came from. We're gonna find the nearest trash can for this thing. Good thing it was only a couple bucks. Okay, so, just stay there, spawn of Satan. So there's the problem, maybe you shouldn't, and maybe you shouldn't. Because anyway. But now, we spent $2. We stuck it in, we pulled it out. Stuck it in, pulled it out. And notice we don't have water backing up no more. So, that's the end of it, right? But, just for instance, if that didn't work, come down here, and maybe you don't have $2. I don't know. What is down here? Holy crap. There's the mother load of Q-tips. Oh, wow. A spare razor? And what is that? Treasure chest full of nothing. And a BDSM tool for garden snakes. I didn't know. I didn't know all this stuff was here. Don't want to know. Okay, anyway. That's kind of gross. Okay, so like I was telling you earlier, this right here, that's important. You can loosen that, and you might need to throw a pair of pliers on it, because probably the plumber that put that in, he took a pair of pliers and gave it a little snug down. Don't ask me how I know. Anyway, if you loosen that up, you can pull this rod back, and when you do that, this whole thing can come out. That's what's retaining it, basically. Because it's connected that way. When you do that, it does that. When you do that, it does that. And if you pull that loose, pull that rod out, then you can pull this out. And then it's free and clear to look and see, and probably, if you don't have the $2 to spend on this thing, you just do that, and then when you pull this out, all that nasty that came out with that thing is going to come out with it. And then, you know, there you go. So, but all in all, our $2 spent is well worth it. We got a drain that drains. It's not backing up when you wash your hands. And life is good. So, oh Lord. Shut up. I don't want to piss off the gods of whatever. I mean, gravity work. Just don't. And this here, try to picture the scenario. I mean, I'm trying to, and then it ends up. I'm trying to. I don't know. I think at this point, it's seen. Good luck. Well, another job well done. Protected by my security team. Good job, boys. Anyway, that's all I got for you. That was 30 video number 2. Maybe 2.5. You got a free bonus in there somewhere. What's your shower valve? Now, I'm not ASE certified. I'm not ASTME certified. I'm not FMCA certified. Well, kinda. Certainly not PTA certified. And FB4L. Well, TBD. So, I hope you learned something, and I hope you're having a hell of a great day. And if you got, you know, issues in your drain, you know, $2. $2 at Walmart. I mean, $4, but you get 2 of them, so whatever. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Probably. Titus. Are we good? What do you want to do? Do you want to go play? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What? Tell me. Tell me about it. Oh, distracted.